language of kindness. A very happy morning to everyone. I, Nandini, welcome you all in the class 5B1 Special Assembly of Eid ul Fitr. As William Blake rightly said, a thankful receiver bears a plentiful harvest. Let's begin our special assembly by ushering the day with a noble thought by Prophet Muhammad by Ayan Saxena.
Deal gently with the people and be not harsh. Cheer them and condemn them not. I repeat, deal gently with the people and be not harsh. Cheer them and condemn them not. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks for such an enriching thought. A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. Let's greet this day with open arms. It is the mark of our underlying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Let us join our hands and close our eyes to chant this prayer to start this beautiful morning. We have our class choir for the school prayer.
What a spiritual start of the day. Friends, I always think how amazing it is that the amount of news that happens in the world every day always just exactly fits the newspaper. So, let's welcome our classmates to update us with the latest happenings around the world. National news by Vedant Sharma, international news by Ujjwal, sports news by Kritika Yadav, campus news by Yaj, weather report by Naksh Ahuja.
Good morning. Today's national news is India's COVID vaccination coverage has crossed 189 crore mark on Saturday. Metro to get its high station on phase 4 at Hyderabad Badli interchange point, which will be 7 stories tall. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's international news is NASA has discovered a Jupiter-like exoplanet known as TOI 2180b. This exoplanet is 3 times more massive than Jupiter, but its diameter is same as Jupiter. So it proves that this exoplanet is more dense than Jupiter. This exoplanet revolves around a G-type star with distance from our solar system in 70,000 light years. The second headline for today is Pakistan's PM Shehbaz Sharif Sir take the oath of Punjab CM. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's sports news is PV Sindhu claims bronze at Badminton Asian Championship. Golfer Anvi Prashant qualifies for Asian Games Golf. Thank you.
Good morning. Today's IPIS update is the students are gearing up for the ongoing and upcoming inter and inter-school competitions. The house activities are going on in full swing. The students celebrated the International Dance Day with full enthusiasm. Thank you.
Heat waves continue in India with no sign of relief in the form of temperature or rainfall. In India, at least 20 states will face rain with shortage current year. Monsoon seasons will come on June month onwards. Thank you. India celebrates various festivals with much pomp and show. We enjoy Holi, Diwali, Christmas, etc. One of the holy religious festivals is Eid ul-Fitr, which is celebrated as the end of the fasting month of Ramadan. Let me invite my friends to enlighten us on this topic.
Eid ul-Fitr.
Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the Muslim holy month of fasting, and it's celebrated during the first 3 days of Shawwal, the 10th month of the Islamic calendar.
Eid ul-Fitr is the time of official receptions, private visits. When friends greet one another, presents are given, new clothes are worn, and graves of relatives are visited. Islamic tradition states that it was during Ramadan on the night of power that God revealed to Prophet Muhammad the Quran, Islam, holy book as a guidance for the people.
Eid is a festival of brotherhood and unity. People wish each other and also invited them to the Eid party or dawat. Across the world, all Muslim countries celebrate it with zeal. People attend the Eid morning prayer in the mosque and also wear traditional Muslim dresses.
Sevai is the famous Eid dish. People specially cook this dish on this occasion. Other meat stew along with various dishes are also prepared for enjoying this occasion. Thank you friends for such an effective explanation on the festival. Now let me invite my friends to recite a beautiful poem on Eid al-Fitr.
सब मिलकर ईद मनाए, सबकी उम्मीदों पर छाए, जग में ऐसे प्यार लुटाए, हम सब मिलकर ईद मनाए.
नेक बनेंगे, ईद बनेंगे, भेद नहीं प्यार करेंगे, नाचे गाएं धूम मचाएं, हम सब मिलकर ईद मनाएं.
मीठी मीठी सेवई खिलाए, सब अधरों पर खुशियाँ लाए, प्यार करो त्योहार सिखाए, हम सब मिलकर ईद मनाए. Thank you friends for beautiful recitation. Where words fail, music speaks. So let me call our class choir to present a rhythmic piece to emphasize more on the festivals.
Eid ul-Fitr is regarded as a time to celebrate with family and friends. After observing fasts in the holy month of Ramzan, Muslims feast on this day. They also offer their gratitude to God for all the blessings while sharing their blessings with those who may be less fortunate. I would like to call my classmates to show us the small dramatization of a famous story, Eidgah, written by Premchand.
दादी, मैं ईद का मेला देखने जाऊं? सारे दोस्त बुलाने आए हैं। हाँ हाँ जा, और ये ले 3 पैसे, तेरी ईदी, कुछ खा पी लेना, मेरे कोई खिलौना खरीद लेना। हाँ हाँ दादी, चलता हूँ।
हामिद खुशी खुशी अपने 3 पैसे लेकर अपने दोस्तों के साथ मेला देखने चला जाता है। मेले का दृश्य, रंग बिरंगी सजी हुई खिलौनों की दुकानें, तरह तरह की मिठाइयाँ और झूले। सब अपने अपने पसंद के खिलौने खरीदने लगते हैं तो कोई मिठाइयाँ लेता है, महमूद सिपाही लेता है, मोहसिन बिस्ती लेता है और नूरे वकील लेता है। पर हामिद के मन में कुछ और ही चल रहा था। आइए देखते हैं उसने क्या लिया।
भैया, ये जूता कितने का है? 3 पैसे का। हाँ हाँ, दे दो भैया। दादी, मैं आ गया और देखो मैं आपके लिए क्या लाया हूँ। ये चिमटा, पर क्यों? दादी, जब आप रोटी बनाते हो तो आपके हाथ जल जाते हैं, लेकिन इससे नहीं जलेंगे। तुझे इतने बड़े मेले में सिर्फ मेरी ही याद आई, अपने लिए कुछ नहीं लिया। दादी, आपने ही तो सिखाया है कि ईद के दिन हमें अपनी ही नहीं, दूसरों की भी खुशियों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। शाबाश बेटा।
तो देखा दोस्तों, त्योहार का मतलब खुशियां मनाना और हंसना गाना ही नहीं होता। असली खुशी तो दूसरों का ध्यान रखने में होती है।
It's truly said that the real essence in Islam is to serve, worship and lovingly submit to God. Moving forward to keep these festivities alive, let's welcome my friends for a scintillating dance performance.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम, ईद का है यारो ये प्यार। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम, ईद का है यारो ये प्यार। ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ना तेरा है ना मेरा है, ये सबका है त्योहार। ये प्यार का पैगाम है, ये प्यार का पैगाम। मुबारक ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक। चाहे वो रहमान हो या भाई अपना नाम, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबको है सलाम।
प्यार ही आवाज़ और प्यार ही अंजाम, खुशियों के इस मौसम की कभी ना आए शाम।
ये ईद का त्योहार है, खुशियों का है त्योहार। ना तेरा है ना मेरा है, ये सबका है त्योहार। ये प्यार का पैगाम है, ये प्यार का पैगाम। मुबारक ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, हाय मुबारक ईद मुबारक, मुबारक ईद मुबारक।
Thank you friends for such a captivating performance. That's all for today from 5v1. We hope you all enjoyed today's assembly.
We would like to thank our dance teacher Suman ma'am, music teacher Poonam ma'am, Hindi teacher Swadesh ma'am and our class teacher Vandana ma'am for showing confidence in us. We would also like to thank our headmistress Ms. Shalu Kapoor ma'am
for giving us the opportunity to present this assembly. You will never be misguided so long as you follow the footsteps of the Prophet. Eid Mubarak. Thank you.